this is the thing. So I would like to again and again, and our my entire life, I would like to hats off Ayan Sheikh sir, who always encourage me. Here that I am unknown with you. After attending entire class or entire session, I feel like we are not like strangers. We all are like family members. The environment that I got before entering this class or before reaching this place, I was thinking that because I never ever face any stage show. It's not matter that it is a small big. No. A stage means a stage. If you have guts, then you can deliver everything, not in front of all of us, in front of 2 or 3 person. It is very challenging to express your thinking, expression in front of anyone. जहाँ तक मेरी बात है, मैंने कभी स्टेज शो नहीं करा. Even I didn't attend a single program. मैंने English at workplace, I think so I saw drastic change under 15 days. Before that, I was thinking that how is it possible to convey our feeling, to deliver everything in front of anyone. But एक चीज़ मैंने नोटिस किया है जो बेहद बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग्स हैं, एंड दिस इज वन ऑफ द प्रीशियस थिंग्स जो सारे टीचर्स में नहीं होते हैं, वो मैंने देखा अयान सर के पास. एंड दिस इज द थिंग्स आई कांट डिलीवर ड्यूरिंग माई delivering time. That is true mentor. That's why I got such mentor. And that things is that होता है ना कि बहुत सारे टीचर्स होते हैं कि आपको नहीं आ रहा है ना, तो डेफिनेटली वो डिमोटिवेट करेंगे और इतना मोटिवेट करेंगे कि मत पूछे, दूसरा बार सोचना पड़ेगा कि वहाँ जाएंगे तो बोलेंगे. बट वन थिंग दैट आई एवर फेल्ट, आई एवर ऑब्जर्व एंड आई एवर एक्सपीरियंस फ्रॉम मिस्टर अयान शेख सर, आवर ऑनरेबल मेंटोर, इनमें एक चीज़ खासियत है, आपका परफॉर्मेंस जैसा भी आपको एक कदम पीछे नहीं हटने देंगे मोटिवेशन के मामले में. और ये जुनूनियत आप में इतना ज़्यादा फोर्सफुली मोटिवेशन पैदा कर देती है ना कि डेफिनेटली आप अगले शो में, अगले क्लास में आप परफॉर्म करोगे. ये मेरे साथ हुआ. इट्स माई पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस. व्हेन इट्स कम टू माई एक्सपीरियंस बिफोर joining this stage, I was feeling really quite nervous. I'm not the another person. I'm not the person of us. Human is also a kind of animal. So I'm also the kind of yes. I have been inquiring this about this classes. I think so since 1 year. I have been inquiring, and finally I got, because I have one things before it is this thing happening with all of us. Before joining, everyone wants to know about any institution or tuition as well. That tuition is good for me or not. No one wants to waste your money. Then how I can waste my money? It is a very genuine things and very natural things that happens with all of us. Not only personally I'm saying about myself, but this is the things. So this is the thing. So I would like to again and again, and my entire life, I would like to hats off Ayan Sheikh sir, who always encourage me. Thank you.